Hello and welcome back to EFX TV once again. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to talk about the new effects of Metasploit Termux in 2023. On your screen you can see that I have fixed my Metasploit and here is the latest version I have installed in my device. Okay, so if you want to get the same version you have to watch the full video till the end and follow the instructions I'm going to share with you. Okay, the first thing is I'm going to tell you how to install the required tools to install Metasploit in your Termux without any error. So the first thing you should have is EMSF tool. Using EMSF tool, I'm going to install M version tool in my Termux, which has latest fix for Termux, and we used to update it on regular basis. Of course, there need to be an error to fix that. So type EMSF server, and here you have to type M version. Okay, M version installed, and here are the help options. Okay, now the first thing you should check is check your Metasploit installed version first. So here you can see I have the latest one installed in my device. Okay, now let's use install function to install it. And of course, it can take some time. So here you can see installation has been started. Okay, so installation process has been finished. Now let's check MSF console in Termux. Okay, so here you can see it has still some errors, so let's fix it too. Now, here you have to select the option 9. You have to make sure that latest version and the installed version should be same, and it requires the password. So how to get the password later on, if you watch this video after a few days, it may be changed. So how to get it, let me show it to you. Go to our official Telegram group and link is in the description. Type Metasploit. It's going to provide you some kind of password over here. You just have to copy this and paste it to your Termux. Once again, try to run MSF console in Termux. Congratulations! Now you have the latest version of Metasploit in your Termux without any error. To confirm it, let's create a payload. So you can use version demo option to create a payload and choose lhost. It requires your IP address. Copy your IP. In your case, you have to type ifconfig to get your IP address. Now paste the desired port. And the payload has been created. So because of YouTube term and conditions, I'll not be able to install it in my device, but here I can show you it has been generated. Okay, and 10 KB is the size of this application. I hope this will work for you, and if you face any kind of issues with installation, please let me know in the Telegram. So my direct contact address and our official group is in the description. I hope everything is good and best of luck. Take care of yours. Have a great time ahead.